Okay, now we're going to touch SPRO Personnel Management Global Settings. SPRO. Personnel Management Global Settings, System Status. System Status, Global Settings, Base System. Settings. Maintain plan versions. Okay, we've already seen this. Maintain plan, set active plan versions. Now, plan versions are your configuration landscapes versions. Okay, that's already done because we're using 0.1. We can also use our own customized plan as well. Okay. Personal sub areas. We've already seen personal areas. Enterprise structure, definition, human resources management, and personal sub areas are also done. And we'll have employee groups. Yes, we'll have to make employee groups. Employee groups for Caltex, we already have that. That is C, Caltex. So this is done. And employee subgroup. Employee subgroup, salaried, active, and hourly contractor active. And this is an example of best way, BH and BI. Employee subgroup. Employee subgroup. And we must have something with C. C1, which is best way is there. C3, C4. Okay. Caltex hourly. We already have something with Caltex. Okay, let me just pull it up. Okay, where is Caltex? CG. Caltex, I can't find it. Very strange. I can't find Caltex, but it's Caltex hourly and Caltex salary. Okay. Save. And on request, it's already there. Caltex. Save. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll make a snapshot because this is how you can actually get confused in this maze. Okay, And it's better to take a snapshot and store it in your configuration documents. Let's go back. Employee groups, I'll take a snapshot of that as well. And C is Caltex, and I'll get a snapshot. And I'm adding to our notes of configuration. Okay. Okay. Next is enterprise structure assignment, finance company code to company, personal area to company code, employee subgroup to group. Okay. Assignment part, that is important. Definition, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company, and CL, Caltex divides already done. Okay. Now let's go to human resources management, assignment of personal area, CL. It's already done. Country grouping is 10, which is the US. Assign employee subgroup to employee group. Okay. We don't have that, so we'll do C. Employee subgroup was C3. Caltex hourly and 10 allowed. Save. Okay. And new entries C4 salary, and it will be run under the payroll of USA. Allowed. Save. And data was saved. Position C and Caltex C3 C4. How come we have active and C3 C4 is not showing over here? C is okay, fine. Let me just take snapshot. Okay, save it. Fine. Now, next part is US10. US10 is done. EC02 / and EC02. And it says other organizational objects. Other organizational objects, select company structure navigation. Select company and structure navigation. Structure navigation. Navigation. Navigation, personnel management, personnel administration, basic settings, maintain user parameters, country USA, best way. Okay. Okay, over here we'll find CL or Caltex USA and double click, and we have all the organizational unit integrations already done over here, like company is made, company code is made, plant, sales organization, personnel area. This is also done. We can expand these nodes from this tree. Okay. So it's pretty much evident. Okay. Personnel area, personnel sub area. These are all part of that. Node the configurations. Okay. Now going back, SPRO. Come on. SPRO. Personnel management, personnel administration. Okay. Basic settings, maintain user parameters. Basic settings, maintain user parameters. Okay, country grouping is USA because we'll run the payroll and create and configure the payroll based on the USA payroll system. Okay, so this is attached with the user VAUSNET now. Okay, personal sub area and personal sub area. Okay, maintain number ranges for personal numbers. Maintain number range intervals for personal numbers. Intervals, and these are already maintained. 02 is where we can um, assign your own customized alphanumeric or numeric numbers to your employees, to your organizational units. Okay. And you can also change the number ranges if you don't want some series or some series are obsolete for some reason. Okay. Now, PA30, check for employee numbers and reduce logical. Okay. PA30. Personnel number 200. Enter. We've already created one, and organizational management. Let's see. And we can display it and change it whatever we want to. These are the info types that have been populated for this employee. Through this personnel number, we are going to check the details. Okay, the enterprise structure. Now there are parts in the organizational info type, which is it has enterprise structure, personnel structure, organizational plan. Okay. Okay. Now maintain number ranges for personnel numbers, determine defaults for number ranges. Okay. Go back. SPRO. Personnel management, personnel administration, basic settings, determine defaults for number ranges. Now this will require a little bit of legwork. Feature is number KR, and these are the features that we studied in the presentation. Country grouping Molga. Okay, so info type is Tetra 0, number KR, Molga is country grouping. 10 is the payroll, USA payroll. Work. Now these are technical names. Molga, number KR, works. Now these are technical names. Over here we have personnel area, and personnel area is Caltex. So we'll add, create nodes. Okay. Okay. Caltex, select. Okay. Caltex is added. Next part is personal area, and next is create nodes. Field for decision operations under personal area will have personal sub areas, which is office and personal employee group. Okay, we'll add employee group to this. And employee groups are, employee group is C, which is active. C, transfer. Okay. Then we have create nodes. C3, C4. Yeah. Okay. Employee group, new entries, active, select J, new entry, field for decision operation. Field for decision operation, employee subgroup. Employee subgroup, which is C3, C4. Okay. And under this, we'll have return value, which is C3. Okay. And create nodes C4. Okay. And under this, we will attach number groups. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Personal area, personal sub area. Now this is for high known employee group, employee subgroup. Okay. Select JS new entry return value number range 02. New entry return value. Return value. So this is the number range 02 and create nodes return value 02. So this is the number range that we just checked. And let me, and of course, you will have to delete this part because this is not needed. Otherwise, it will not activate this node. More activate. Okay, dependent. It doesn't have any dependent, so it will be deleted. More activate. Okay. I hope you're getting the point. Activate the entire tree, info type 02, personal administration, organizational data, assignment, define employee attributes. Okay, now save. Determine defaults, 10. Personal area, we have Caltex, employee group, Caltex active, employee subgroup, Caltex hourly and Caltex salary, and the 02 is attached. So what you can do is take a snapshot of this and paste it in your notes. Okay. So it becomes a reference for you for future help. Okay. Now coming back, next part is personal administration organizational data. Organizational data, organizational assignment, organizational data assignment defined in employee attributes. Come on. Three more slides to go and we'll wrap it up. We just wrapped it up in 15 minutes. Yeah. Not 15, but 25 minutes. I'm getting stuck. Let me share this. It will be easier for me. Save. So I'm saving your screenshots as well. PRO, personnel management. Um, okay, personnel administration, not management. Personnel, personnel management, personnel admin, organizational data, organizational assignment, define employee attributes, country grouping 10. Okay, employee group, C, active. Okay, now what do we have to do? Over here, activity status 1 is active, employee status 1, and training status 2 is trained. Okay, so what we'll do is 122, 112. For salary, 122, 1, 2, and 2. For hourly is 112, 1 and 1 and 2. Now, what is this basically? I've already given this over here, which is employee status 1, that is hourly. Training status 2 is trained. Okay, the training status, activity status, this is active. Employment status will be hourly salary, and training status is that they are trained. Okay, save and save. So I'll take a snapshot of this. Okay, where to fit this? Okay, I'll fit this and you can actually locate it on your own. Okay, yeah. Okay, save. Next part. Sorry, are we done with this? Yes, we are done with this. And define international terms of employment. Define international terms of employment. And over here, country grouping 10, retail employees will be keyed in here. Retail target best way group. And for Huawei, it was BRBD. Okay, country grouping 10. Since we have Caltex, retail employees will be keyed in here. Okay, so over here, we will have, uh, now we can have different divisions for Caltex, like petrol employees at the petrol pumps, employees at the offices, or employees at the tuck shop. So we'll just keep one because over here we have defined for retail and for distribution. That's another segment. We'll keep one segment. Okay. And let's call it CX Caltex employees. Now you can actually use it as for different segments. Okay. Okay. Snapshot. Save. Okay, define payroll area. Payroll area. Okay. For payroll area, what we'll use depends on two important factors, payment date and payment mode. Okay. Now for salaried employees, it will be bank-to-bank transfer. For contractual workers, it can be cash or checks or handouts or whatever weekly. Yeah. Payment dates will be weekly for hourly workers. For salary, it will be monthly. Yeah. So that depends on two factors. So we'll create entry over here, CM Caltex monthly, Caltex weekly. Okay, checked. And this will be part of the payroll area. Save, save. Save. Okay. Now for Huawei, we have done this. If not, check system will not allow for a payroll calculation. Okay, next part. Create payroll area. That is the next part. And payroll area. T8 period parity is 01 and 03 is weekly. Okay. So our payroll was CM Caltex monthly. Period parameter will be 01. Okay. No date modifiers and hourly and salary it is checked. Run for payroll area and CW Caltex weekly 03 and an entry already exists. How come? Oh. Payroll area. Let me just check. CM Caltex and Caltex weekly. It's already done. 03 weekly. Okay. Caltex monthly 01. Okay. So save. Okay. Now this is done. And snapshot of Caltex weekly. Where to adjust this? Okay, I'll adjust it here. Save. Okay. Next is check default payroll. Check default payroll. Now this is a little bit of extended T class. T class, transaction class for data retention and expand otherwise. Molga, this is country grouping. 10 is our country grouping employee group. And we have employee group was C. Yeah. Molga, go to employee subgroup, employee expand otherwise Molga country grouping PK, go to employee subgroup. Okay, new entry, select employee subgroup. Employee group. Employee group is create node. Create nodes, employee, subgroup, transfer, employee subgroup was C3. Okay. Return value T8, return value JH, JS, B8, B9. Okay. Salary was CM. Return value CM, CW. Return value. Okay. Activate it. More. Activate. Delete. Delete. Okay. You'll have to zoom in to just check what is basically was done here. Okay. Okay. Next is last slide. Hourly BH salary. Okay, it's the same. Create control record. Create control record. And payroll area was CM. Caltex monthly payroll area status. Now, there are statuses in payroll. Released, release for correction, exit payroll, check payroll results, Benetton hourly, Benetton monthlies, Benetton salary, Benetton salary. Okay. Earliest retro accounting period. Okay. Create payroll period monthly 01/2024, retro 2023, save, create, change, released for payroll period. Okay. So payroll period will start from the the first month of the year. The runs have not been executed. Earliest was last year. Save it. Okay, now payroll period 01 for CW Caltex weekly. Payroll period will be payroll period, payroll period, payroll period, payroll period. 01/2024 and 52 of 2023 because this is weekly. Okay. So this is starting from 01 to 07. Save and record has been created. And change. If we change it, okay, we can change this. CM. Let's go to SM30. Table is T549Q. T549Q. File maintenance dialog. VT4. Okay. Okay, V, payroll periods, maintain period parameters. Okay, 90. Now we'll have to maintain this for 2024 and 25. I don't know whether this maintained. Okay, it is maintained for till 2031. Okay. Now maintain CM, entry is not numeric, 02, semi-monthly, maintain 01. This is monthly. Maintain 03. This is weekly. So you will actually have to maintain all of the, okay, it is maintained till 2009. So you'll have to maintain for 2024 and 25 for every week, and you'll have to give the dates. Okay. And that's how you will maintain it. So that is all for today. And I hope it was clear.